Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to sew the back panel of the Kaftan suit. And please if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, look below the video, you see a subscribe button and hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all so that you will get notified whenever I upload any video. The first thing we need to do right now is that we have to run the stitch. You can see the mark of the chalk on this the back panel. This is the back panel. This is the back panel of the Kaftan suit. So you can see the mark of the chalk. Remember when I was cutting the Kaftan suit, I do say that the chalk, the line of the chalk will be a sewing line, and that we have to give a space about half or 1 inch space, which will be the allowance, so that after sewing we can be able to open press it. So this line was the line of chalk which was drawn during the cutting of the Kaftan suit. So I'm going to be running my stitch on top of this line. I follow the line straight, the way the line goes. I will just run my stitch on top. I just finished running it. So this is the back of the lining of the back panel. Pardon me, the lining. This is the lining of the back panel, which we cut during the cutting of the lining. So I'm also going to run the stitch, but before I run the stitch for the lining, I want you to watch something. You know, this our back panel does not have any vents. It's no vents. Kaftan suits, there is no vent on it. So I'm going to be running the drawing a mark, giving a mark of chalk, pardon, on the back area following the Kaftan suit, the line of the Kaftan suit. I'm going to be marking it. First of all, you pick up the back panel and place it on top of the lining which you have sewn, pardon me, which you're about to sew. This is the back panel and these are lining. So I want to show you something right now before we proceed. So this, you make sure that you align them, make it equal. So the next thing we do, we draw a line following my sewing line on the lining. So I'm going to draw the line. So on this area we give a little curve here, and I will take this straight. This is the purpose of the SS which you see here. I will make it about 10 to 11 inches long. Then I will now continue following the stitch. Follow the stitch, and while aligning, make sure that on the whole side, on the two sides of this thing, they are equal. They are equal on the two sides. So you now draw the line. Just as I have done this, then you will now start to run the stitch on the lining, just according to what you have just marked out right now. will now move straight to my table, ironing table. So the first thing I need to do at my ironing table is to open press this. I will open press the joining at the back panel joining. After open pressing it, I will fold this. I fold the bottom area by 2 inches, or by 1.5, pardon. That was the addition we added during the cutting. So I have to fold 1.5 sewing allowance right inside. Thereafter, I will now take the lining, fold it one side and iron it with this opening, this gap on it falling on one of the side of it. So after that, I will return back to continue with the stitch. I'm back from the ironing table, so you can see the lining, how the lining is, and this is the back. This is the back panel of the kaftan suit. So this is the open pressing, and actually I now find out that it was actually 2 inches folding allowance, not 1.5, 2 inches folding allowance. So that's why I folded about 2 inches here. So what I will do next is that I'm going to be joining this. I'll be joining it. So what I will do, I will locate the joining point of the back panel and also that of the lining, and I will match both of the joining together to be equal and in alignment. So I will now start my stitch from one side of the back, and during the stitch, want to watch what I'm doing. I place this as an interface. I'm going to place it here at the bottom area, and I will also from the beginning I will give a space while running my stitch. And I will not also stop at the end. I will also give space on the 2 sides. I gave a space on the 2 sides. So I'm done with the preparation of the back. What I will do next is that I will take this to my table. I'm almost done, not actually that I'm done. I will take it to my ironing table and iron it so that the interface will grip on the fabric, the back panel fabric, so that it will not be flipping up. So that is what I'm going to do now. After doing it, I will now return back. So I'm back from the table, ironing table. So you can see that the interface is now gripping on the fabric, the back panel fabric. So this is all about how to prepare the back of the kaftan suit. Please do give me a like on this video, and if you are new to my channel, look below the video, say subscribe button, hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all. See you in my next class.